In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert logo in Linktree. By the end, your Linktree will have a clean, on-brand profile image that helps people recognize you instantly. Before we jump in, a quick prep tip. Have your logo file ready on your computer. A square image works best, ideally a high-resolution PNG so it looks sharp, and if you need transparency, it displays cleanly. Keep some padding around the edges so nothing gets cropped. If you're using an animated mark, a small GIF can work too. Just be mindful of file size so it loads quickly. Start by signing into your Linktree admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. Click Design. This is where you control the look and feel of your page. Inside the design area, find the header section. This is the area that controls your avatar and display details at the top of your Linktree. Look for the profile image option and click Edit. This opens the media picker, which is where you'll choose the file you want to use as your logo. Select the option to choose an image or GIF. You can either drag your logo file right onto the window or click to browse your computer. Navigate to the logo you prepared, select it, and confirm by clicking Open. You'll now see your file listed in the uploader. Click Upload to send it to Linktree. Give it a moment to process. Larger files might take a few extra seconds. Once it's uploaded, your profile image preview should refresh so you can immediately see how your logo looks in the header. Take a quick look at the preview. If the logo appears too small, too large, or off-center, you can repeat the process and upload a version that's better sized for the circular frame. A simple guideline is to keep your icon or main mark centered and leave consistent spacing around it so the circle doesn't cut off any edges. When the preview looks right, you're set. Linktree typically saves these changes automatically, and you should see your new logo applied to your page header. Open your public Linktree in a new tab to confirm everything looks crisp. If your background or theme colors make the logo hard to see, consider using a logo variant with stronger contrast so it stands out. That's it, your logo is now inserted and visible on your Linktree. A polished profile image builds trust, improves recognition, and ties your links together with consistent branding. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated on-brand Linktree.